Welcome again to the second day of my guitar tutorial. This is one of my guitar lessons for beginners that is designed to help you to learn how to play all the major and the minor chords on the guitar in just 14 days. One chord for every day. And this is the second day. If you are ready with me, let's get right into that. We are going to learn how to play the key F major on the guitar. Remember yesterday we learned how to play key C. Now this is about key F major. How we are going to do that? With your finger number 1, you are going to hold the 2 strings behind the first fret, string number 1 and 2. And then with your finger number 2, you are going to hold the string number 3 behind the second fret, just as the diagram has indicated, while finger number 3 is going to hold string number 4 behind the 3rd fret, just like this. Look at our diagram, you'll be able to understand it. You discover that strings number 5 and then string number 6, they are marked X. It means that we don't play them. So we begin to play from string number 4. Remember how we hold our plectrum? Our plectrum is held this way. When you, with the plectrum this way, and then your finger here. Not this, not like this. If you hold it like this, it's not good. So hold it, put it here on your palms, and then with this, you clutch it. Make it flexible, make your fingers flexible, and then we play it. Play from string number 4. I believe you can do this. Remember that we have a chord chart for all of this in the description of this video. And if you don't know, or you are missing 1 or 2 points of our earlier ones, we have already the one we have done for key C. See the link here. And also, we also have the general introduction for all of this, and it is also here. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and then follow and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be able to get everything we are doing. Click on the notification, bell notification, so that you'll be able to get it whenever we drop a new video on this. Do not miss out. This is your chance of learning how to play the guitar in just 14 days. If you like this video, then follow this channel. Let's get about it. If you have any problem, please drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you out. Until then, see you tomorrow.